goes to candidate number... Sorry ka. Di ba pa? Number 28! Ayan. To be awarded by Mr. Consinto. My God!
Okay, thank you. Thank you po, Mr. Pansing. Okay.
And our next.
Okay, our second runner-up
To be awarded by
Miss Alma Otero.
Palakpakan po natin si Miss Alma Otero. Tinatawagan po
Hey.
yung presensya.
Okay, kasasamahan din siya ni Kuya Bok.
Yes, Kuya Bok.
Pwede na kayo postan.
Kuya Bok at si Miss Alma. Ayan. At magkakamit din po ng tropeyong wala kasing lakyat, kasing bigat, katulad nito. Ayan, pwede siyang sandata. Ayan, Mari.
Our second runner-up goes to candidate number 25, Miss Maxine Magalona.
My God, Maxine, painom ka na. Kuya Bok. Bok. Oh, press kayong gabi, sambayin niya na si Bokbok, ha? Galangan niya si Bokbok. Wow!
Okay. Thank you.
Pare!
Actually, pwede mo siyang gawing barbell.
Okay,
Okay.
dagdag muscle yan, ang ganun. Okay, this is the moment of truth.
Ano ba sabihin natin? Yung first runner po yung title.
Ang tatawagin ay ang nagkamit ng title ang Miss Gay Pagkakaisa.
Okay.
At ang hindi tatawagin ay ang first runner-up. To be awarded by Coach Al. Coach Al to be awarded by this.
Awarded by Coach Al.
Coach Al.
And the first runner-up is awarded to B. By ang first runner-up. Okay, Twitter lang.
Okay. Malapit.
Ano,
Ang aking pong tatawagin na yung nanalo sa ating Miss Gay Pagkakaisa 2007. Okay, girls. You deserve it. Ayan, dito na si Coach Al.
Let's coach. At andito na rin si Rayan.
Doktora?
Yes.
Okay, nagningning ka ngayong gabing ito. Go ahead! Go ahead! Candidate number 12!
Miss Gay Pagkakaisa 2007!
Miss Maureen Larasaban!
By our first runner-up is Miss Aubrey Miles.
Miss Aubrey Miles, thank you for joining. Ayan, syempre. Ayan. Parang recognition day.
Okay.
Wala kasi presentado.
Yung apat, agad ulit yung dalawa. Kasi yung dalawa
Okay, so
kanina.
ayan naman po yung apat na nanalo.
Picture muna, picture. Okay, picture muna tayo. Bok! Coach, picture muna po tayo.
Picture daw.
Ayan.
I love you.